The BOTLUXE Cordless Water Flosser offers a comprehensive oral care solution with its 4 specialized nozzles, catering to various needs, including braces and sensitive gums. Equipped with high-frequency pulsed water technology, it provides deep cleaning between teeth and along the gum line, with 4 customizable modes for different user preferences. Its generous 265 milliliter water tank allows for up to 60 seconds of continuous use, minimizing the need for frequent refills, making it perfect for family and travel purposes. The device's battery life is impressive, lasting up to 60 days on a single charge, and it features convenient USB Type-C fast charging, ideal for those on the go. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, this flosser is safe for use in the shower, and its compact design makes it a travel-friendly companion. The BOTLUXE Water Flosser is a versatile and efficient tool for maintaining oral hygiene, combining portability with powerful performance.